Welcome to our channel, April of Travel. At meron na naman tayong kakainan ngayon. This time, we are here at Ibis in Araneta, Cubao to check out their bow down to the feast. It's an unlimited dim sum, ano ba yun? Eat all you can dishes. So, Chinese food ang ating check ngayong araw na to. So, it's unlimited, pero hindi siya buffet. It's a sit-down, unlimited choices of Chinese cuisine. So, let's go inside. Nandito tayo sa Ibis Hotel dito sa Araneta Center. Kakonekta rin ng Gateway Mall. So, we are going to try their new offer. Ito yung ino-offer nila na unlimited din, pero it's every weekend from Monday to Friday. Lunch and dinner available siya. So, kapag ka-weekend naman, buffet ang available nila ng lunch and dinner. So, for the meantime, ito yung ino-offer nila, or I don't know, mamaya i-check natin kung ano yung duration itong ino-offer nila. Pero actually matagal na namin kinakain to, pero this is the first time that we are going to try ordering the entire unlimited serving, parang ganon. So ang price nito ay 1,225 per person, and ang dami ng kasama actually. So nag-request tayo, actually parang it's also buffet, no? Kaya lang ang difference lang is kung ano yung in-order mo, yun lang ang isa-serve nila. So ito lahat, actually ito, may list sila na ibibigay sa'yo, wherein ililista mo lang kung ano yung gusto mong orderin. So unang-una sa lahat na pwede mong orderin pero one serving lang is yung hot prawn and lechon Macau. So pipili ka lang doon, yun lang yung single serving nila kasi yun yung premium item nila. So guys, ano-ano nga ba yung mga options nila? Actually, sa appetizer, meron silang pickled vegetables, honey barbecue pork asado, soup of the day. Pero ang range na nasa mga 90 pesos, 250 and 150. Yung steamed dim sum nila, actually meron ding pork dumplings. Ito yung siomai. They also have crystal prawn dumplings, yung hakaw, chicken feet, pork spare ribs, pork xiaolong bao, barbecue pork buns or siopao, and yung kuchay dumplings. So may mga in-order tayo dyan, titignan natin mamaya. And then they also have fried dim sum, vegetable spring rolls, pork puff pastry, chicken wonton, radish cake, and seafood taro puff. They also have main courses like yung sweet and sour pork, lemon chicken, fried fish fillet with salted egg yolk, and stir-fried vegetable. Yung rice naman nila, they have yang chow rice. Actually, masarap to. Lagi namin ino-order. And then, yung wok fry noodles and pork century egg congee. So, yun yung itatry natin ngayon. So, halos we'll make it a point na ma-try natin lahat ng pagkain para at least masulit natin. And they also have dessert. Ang dessert nila ay sesame balls, chilled mango sago, almond jelly, and fruit platter. So, somehow mga na-order na natin tong mga to, and we'll just try to check out kung ano yung lasa nila. Okay? Guys, I forgot to mention that they also offer drinks, pero hot tea lang yung kasama niya. So you can order separately yung drinks na gusto ninyong orderin. Order the soup.
Soup of the day.
Soup of the day. Anong tawag?
Soup of the day. Feeling ko ano to eh. Cream of mushroom soup.
Hindi siya mushroom.
Cream of corn. Chicken
siya.
Ha?
Hindi ka nakikinig kanina. Tawag. So guys, since sinerve na nila yung soup of the day ahead of time, tikman na natin. Ay, ang sarap. Grabe.
No?
It's like nido soup.
Parang nido soup na.
Sarap. I like it. Sobrang tagal na namin hindi nag-food vlog. Kasi like sobrang nabisi kami ng bongga. Dahil sa bagong school na ng Kambal, nasikasa namin, kakapasok lang, and they're adjusting. And actually, nagda-driving na rin kasi sila. So that's why minamonitor din namin actually. Pero hindi pa namin hinahayaan na on their own. Siguro, probably October, November, parang ganyan. Pwede na siguro. By the way, Driving school sila actually sa A1. So if you're interested, I will post or I will be posting yung video kung paano yung ginawa naming driving lesson, theoretical sa A1 para dun sa mga interested na pagmanehuhin or pag-aralin ng driving yung kanilang mga kids. You can do that. Usually guys, ang in-order natin ay hot prawn, lechong Macau,
Thank you.
and then soup of the day. Tapos yung ating siomai, hakaw, and kuchay. Dami, no? We skip the fried dumplings actually. And then the main course, sweet and sour pork, lemon chicken, and yung fried fish fillet, rice yang chow, and then wok fried noodles, and lahat ng dessert. So, i-check natin. So guys, itong ino-offer nila na bow down to the feast na theme nila. Actually, it's all the same with the buffet. Kaya lang, sit-down buffet itong tawag dito, no? Actually, na-experience na natin to sa mga pinunta sa Hong Kong, no? Ililista mo lang and then i-serve na nila, which is actually good. At least hindi rin maaksaya yung pagkain sa buffet area kung hindi mo naman din talaga siya kakainin.
Parang shrimp,
freshly served salad. So guys, ito yung lechong Macau and then yung hot prawn salad. Yan yung isa sa mga choices lang na premium items nila. So since dalawa kami, I ordered lechong Macau and he ordered hot prawn. So tikman natin mamaya. And this is the radish cake and the veggies, steamed veggie. Sarap yan. Bok choy. Alagay. So marami pa tayong darating na food. Guys, nag-aantay pa tayo ng ibang mga pagkain. Mas maganda na kainin natin ng sabay-sabay para at least ma-empacho talaga tayo. Pero ito, sobrang looking forward ako dito sa hot prawn salad and sa lechong Macau. Ang ganda rin, no? Kasi single serving lang. Like, ito, talagang enough lang for you, di ba? Good for one person.
Kung gusto mo, di-order ka na lang ulit.
Yeah, like this one. Parang mga solo-solo lang siya.
Ito mo kung sarap na. Radish cake.
Guys, additional is the lemon chicken. And ito na yung ating yang chow fried rice. I think okay na to for both of us, no? Sobrang more to come, guys. Pero gusto nyo na bang kumain? Parang gutom na.
Nakakain na tayo.
Okay, let's eat. Sige. Let's eat, guys. Simulan mo na sa kanin.
Mainit eh. Kaya kawakan. Wait lang.
Sige. Actually guys, lagi kami kumakain dito pero single serving lang. So ngayon lang namin ito try yung kanilang unlimited or okay, so fried fish with salted egg.
Thank you.
Try. So this one is fried fish.
Salted egg.
Fried fish with salted egg. Parang masarap yan.
Oo nga.
Basta may salted egg. Okay, dig in. So kain na tayo. So guys, i-try muna natin yung salted, ano nga to?
Fish with salted egg.
Fish with salted egg.
Ito. Lagyan mo lang siya.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Good try, guys.
Thank you.
I'm just wondering kung anong sauce na.
Ito.
Hindi, ito.
Ang lechong Macau?
Kaya ang sarap nito ah. Try nyo to.
Fish with salted egg, no?
Fish with salted egg. Sarap. Lechong Macau.
Lagyan natin ng chili.
Let's try the lechong Macau, guys. Yeah. Kung ano gusto mo?
Yeah.
Kutsay. Bigyan na natin siya. They also have xiaolong bao. Ano nga ba ang pochay? Steamed
Vegetable.
veggie. Yeah, steamed veggie. Okay, let's try it. Ay!
Ito ako.
Yeah. Siomai naman.
Salamat.
Nakuha na yung isa. Uy, ang sarap ng pochay.
Masarap nga gusto ko dito.
Ang sarap ng pochay. Siomai masarap dito. Tikman na namin ito lagi, no? Lagi namin na-order ko dito. Minsan kasi kapag pumupunta kami dito, hindi kami masyadong gutom. Like around 4, parang merienda lang. That's why we order siomai, and then yang
Ito, lemon chicken.
lemon chicken, mga ganun.
Sarap ng siomai.
Yeah. I like it. Stir fry noodles. Try it.
Ayoko na pahirapan ng sarili. Parang siyang Mongolian.
So, right now, itry natin tong prawn. Anong tawag niya? Prawn salad?
Hot prawn.
Hot prawn? Manghang ba? Kaya hot? Sarap daw.
Grabe, dapat pala yung pala in-order mo.
Pwede mo ulit eh. Ay, oo nga pala. Ito better.
Better siya kaysa sa lechon Macau, no?
Hindi naman.
Diba?
Magkaiba naman. Sarap. Ang laki ng shrimp sa loob.
No?
Ang sarap lahat, grabe. No? Lambaw, ito na. So, alam naman natin na meron tong sa loob. Sabaw. The proper way of eating xiaolong bao is ilalagay mo siya dito sa kutsara. Ganyan. Hindi bubutasan mo siya. Siya masyado. So, isusunan lang natin siya. Cheers to that.
Thank you.
Or actually, meron kami na-try na xiaolong bao. Sa may...
Kumapagal?
Yeah, Mason. Mason Mall ba? S whatever.
Huh?
S Mason, S Mason. Mall. Dynasty, Paradise Dynasty. Sa Macau. Kung gusto niyo na talagang different variations of xiaolong bao, try niyo yun. Paradise Dynasty or kalimutan ko na. Lahat ng klase ng xiaolong bao na. So, lahat ng food nila rito is for single serving lang. Platter of
Fruit platter. Fruit platter.
Fruit platters. Fruit platter. So anyway guys, like what I mentioned kanina, that this one is available every Monday to Friday, lunch and dinner. At ang price niya ay 1,225 pesos. So you can avail of all of this kahit na ilang beses.
Ay, sorry.
And then, yung hot prawn salad and yung lechong Macau is just for one serving. Mango sago.
Oo, masarap.
Oo nga,
Sarap na.
Ano? Trying it. Sarap. They also have the sesame balls or buchi. Kaya, parang siya, matigas. Hindi siya yung mga typical na malambot.
Ang sarap actually pag kinagat ng malutong. Malutong siya, sarap.
Sarap ah. Yeah. At saka maraming laman. Siyempre guys, dahil kumain tayo ng Chinese food, ang sagot dyan sa anti-umay ay soft drinks. At ngayon lang namin nalaman na may Mountain Dew Zero Sugar na rin pala. This is not a promotion. Naman eh. Ang dami pa namin videos na hindi na-upload. Actually, yung Vegas namin is just like 2 videos pala. We stayed there for 1 week, no? Anyway, sana...
Nagpunta pa kami ng
Arizona. Yeah, we went to Arizona, Grand Canyon, and then meron din kami outlet shopping na hindi naman nag-shopping masyado.
Actually, meron pa isa.
Meron pa.
Yung Vietnam namin.
Yung Vietnam namin, napunta kami ng Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh. So, sana ma-upload natin yung mga bagay-bagay na yun, guys. Overall, masarap lahat ng food. Alam niyo naman, basta Chinese food at basta gutom kayo, masarap talaga lahat yan. Most especially na hotel ito, so definitely mas edge talaga siya in terms of mga pagkain, lasa, and yung quality ng pagkain. You must try is the lechon Macau and the shrimp, and then of course yung kanilang yangchong masarap din. Siomai, ang sarap ng siomai nila. And actually, pwede nyo naman talaga i-try lahat. Pero they offer a la carte. Yun lang, mas malaki yung pababayaran nyo. Like, for example, if you wanna try the hot prawn salad, 390 agad yan. And then the lechong Macau is 250. Tapos yung mga steamed dumplings, steamed dim sum, 150, 250, mga ganon yung range niya, 190. So, at the same time, yung main course niya is 290, 450, 240, tapos yung in dessert ay 250 mga dessert. So, sorry. So, dito, matatry nyo lahat ito, itong nandito sa listahan na to, at the price of 1,225 lang. So, try nyo na guys. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching at maraming salamat sa panonood nyo at pagsubaybay nyo sa aming YouTube channel kahit hindi na kami masyado nakakapag-upload. Pero this time, we are going to try to upload more and update you more of aming ganap, lalo-lalo sa mga pagkain at sa aming travel. So, for now, ito muna ulit ang inuna namin dito sa ino-offer ng Ibis Hotel dito sa Araneta Center, Cubao. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And of course, hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Bye-bye!